Today I'm back in my Lexus IS200 with something that's been bugging me for a little while now. Take a look at this. I hit that switch and the mirrors fold in. A really nice feature, especially given the shrinking sizes of car parks around Melbourne. The only problem is, check this out. It's only working on the left. This is happening because an inconsiderate person walked past and smashed into my mirror. Of course, as is often the case in these situations, buggered off and left my car with the mirror folded back completely. Since then, the mirror hasn't been folding in properly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to whip that mirror off and replace it with one I got from the wreckers. So I'm going to see how difficult it is to whip this mirror off and replace it. Apparently there are two types of mirrors on the IS200. In my case, I have the heated mirrors. Anyway, might as well stop talking and get into doing this job. There's the spare mirror, and taking a look at that, looks like it's only got 3 bolts holding it in position. And a plastic panel here which is the wrong colour. Alright, what I'm going to do is see if I can whip this mirror off nice and easily. I've got to take this speaker cover off, and that just pops out. I've got a speaker here. I don't know if that's in the way or not. I'm about to find out. It looks like I'll be able to get it into this with a 10mm socket. You can pretty much pull apart one of these cars with a 10mm spanner. I'd really like to do this job without removing the door card. I'm not 100% sure if that's going to be possible or not. Looking by the wiring loom, it does seem to go down in behind the door card, so there's a good chance I might have to take it off, but right now I'm going to see if I can do it without disturbing that. It looks like the door card is coming off. Had a quick scout around for screws, I didn't find any, so I'm just going to see if I can pop this loose. There's one little screw in here. Alright, there's the door card away. So I just popped those 3 connectors off, and now I'm going to whip out the connector for the mirror, and that's the mirror away. Let me catch that please, Spence, before it scratches. Oh, I did scratch. Bollocks. Rough, wasn't I? Now I'm going to whip off the plastic backing plate. Spence, can you come and hold this for me so I don't scratch it worse? Quickly put one bolt back in loosely. And put this speaker back. Connect the mirror loom back in. And then it'll be time to put the door card back on. Get this light connector back in and just pull those through for now. Slide on from the top. Now I'm going to plug this speaker cover back in position. Clip. Alright. Tools out. Now it's the moment of truth. And look at that. my mirror is working again. I can rest easy just to make sure all of the functions are working. Up, down, right, left. Alright, that's it. I've replaced my mirror. All that's needed to do now is to clean up my tools, wash the paint off the glass of that mirror, and that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.